What's up guys? So, it's been a while and we're back vlogging again. And alam niyo naman pag nag-vlog tayo, ibig sabihin lumabas tayo ng lugar natin, malamang. So right now, I'm in Mactan, Cebu International Airport. And guess what? We're here for just one day. Kasi gusto ko lang gamitin yung free flight ko and we choose Cebu because this is my dream city. And we're going, our main agenda is mag-jog sa CC Lex. And after that, roam around the city na lang. So, yeah. So, actually, I'm in my jogging attire. Look. Okay, so, let's go. Okay, so we're here now at the beginning point of CCLX, Cebu, Cordova. Di ko yun alam ko ano yung LAX, basta expressway. So, kailangan nyo lang mag-fill up ng form, personal information, tapos address and your age. So, this is 8.7 kilometers daw and yeah, we're going to jog it. So, diba, dumayo pa talaga tayo magaling Manila papunta dito. Wala lang, gusto ko lang mag-jog talaga at gusto kong mag-jog sa ibang lugar naman and we're here at Cebu. Let's go! Tara! Update, so we're halfway the CCLX and I didn't expect na ganito pala siya. Akala ko straight line lang siya, like agad Cebu City. You know guys, look at that, it's like this. So yeah, it kinda excite me but as well as ang layo pa pala. Yeah, but yeah, this is a good experience though. I'll update you again. Okay, so here's a little major update. Okay. So actually aminado naman ako na nakulangan yung warm up ko bago magsimula. So right now, itong left foot ko masakit na. Gusto ko na umuwi. Ito, nakikita nyo to? Ito yung emergency stop. Kung need nyo ng help, pwede kayong mag-press for help. But right now, I don't need that upgrade right now. I can do this. I still can do it. So, yeah, let's go! Look guys, andito pa lang ako. Andun pa yung CCLX. I mean, this is the whole CCLX, but this is the main highlight of the jog, okay? Ang layo ko pa! And this is the Cebu City. It's so nice, like seeing it personally, it looks so unreal. Let's go! Okay! now we have the good view of Cebu City sa taas yan. Ito yung pinakamalawak and then ito yung si-select. So we're getting closer guys, but it's getting harder and I'm getting pagoder. Yeah. Okay, we finally made it to the highlight of Sisilex. This bridge. Yeah. Sa wakas, nakapagod! Okay, a little update. Nakadaan na tayo sa bridge, that highlight. And yeah, masakit pa rin ang paa ko and I still can't run. So walk na lang talaga ako hanggang SMC side. And maghanap tayo ng cafe para makapag-charge. I'm so low bat guys. But we did it. Diba? Pero pagod na ako. Okay, so we made it to SM Cebu Seaside. Naku, kung alam ko lang na ganito pala kapagod, hindi ko na tinuloy ito. Pero okay lang. At least, andito ako, diba? I did it. So maghanap ako ng cafe na siyempre pwede magpahinga and then mag-charge na din. So, yeah, let's go. Okay, what's up guys? A little update. So, andito na ako sa SM MOA. I had a coffee lang sa SB kanina. And you know what na-realize ko? Seryoso yung sakit ng paa ko, like legit. Di ko na alam kung kaya ko pang ituloy yung itinerary ko. After this, I'm going to Magellan's Cross and eat at the, what do you call this? Carbon Market, and after that I'm going to Top Cebu, that one in the hill, and that's my itinerary. So pero sobrang sakit talaga ng paa ko, and right now I'm in Sky Garden of SM Seaside Cebu at super ganda ng view, like 360 view. You'll see the CCLX, the New Star, and also the Cebu City right here. So yeah, I'm gonna tour you around and hope I can still make my itinerary. Okay, let's go. last tour, andito tayo sa Tops. So ito yung Tagaytay ng Cebu. Sobrang ganito yung daan niya, sobrang nakakahilo. And we're going to tour around. Sa gumawa nito, you're good. Nahilo ako. Let's go! ito yung nirun ko na 8K. This bridge, this came from this one and ikot doon, tapos ito yung pinaka-highlight ng bridge sa Silex, and then diretso doon sa SMC side. That's an 8K, and also it's a 2 hours jog. Grabe, sobrang layo pala talaga. Like imagine I did that. Nice. Okay, so to end the vlog, ayun, if no one goes with you, go alone, 'di ba? Kaya mo naman talagang gawin. Ako nga, ilang beses ko nang ginagawa to eh. And yeah, nakapaka-fulfilling niya to the part na you can do the most impossible things that a solo person can do. Ganun lang siya. You're testing your limits. And alam beses ko na siyang na-try and effective naman siya for me. I hope for others na takot pa rin maging solo sa isang trip, do it by yourself. Try at least once. And after you tried it once, you will tell yourself na kaya naman talaga. It just needs courage and confidence. Yeah, like me. So that's it for Cebu vlog. This is a 1-day itinerary travel tour around Cebu. So if you want a copy of this itinerary, just comment down below and expect that I will upload any videos in the coming year. Yeah, and thank you for watching, guys. Hope to see you soon again and again. Thank you, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment and share this video if you like this itinerary. Let's go. Thank you, Lord. Okay, so to conclude the vlog, first time ko mag flight sa Big Bird, which is yung A330, yung tawag doon 400 plus seaters. So right now the seats are available, so yeah, it's a window side again. Nice. So yeah, let's go. Thank you for watching the vlog. Thank you, bye.